What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Udate GHTV. And as I always say, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have actress Christiana Awuni scolded Shatta Wale for the unprintable words he used on Aisha Modi during their beef. Yeah, so Ghanaian actress Christiana Awuni has scolded popular musician Shatta Wale for some of the words he used on Aisha Modi during their recent social media beef. Yeah, so speaking like a mother in an interview with Nana Romeo on Accra FM, Christiana Awuni made a point that the Shatta movement boss should be mindful of some of the things he says when he is angry or fighting a woman. According to the award-winning actress, Shatta Wale's comments like Aisha Modi's face is like a toilet and many unprintable comments about her honeypot were not really necessary. Yes, so she added that once Shatta Wale came from the honeypot of a woman and he at various times gets one to enjoy as a man, he must be mindful when he passes bad comments about a lady. Okay guys, watch the interview and don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Minimum some I no kai but Shatta na meti ne die. What you say? Shatta na meti ne die.
Ote den ana sem no bi wo ha untumi nka
mintimi nka kra mintimi nka de metumi aka me papa twa atiefo ana ahwefo bia na obi didi de o ka sa toilet no minim say toilet chance no en wo kire say ade na nkasa na odi susu na
ana twi na on tinti na o husu de di na tem mintimi hu ebia toilet bowl no en wo ka say na kuraba na ye tena so ebia no en odi susu na minim say sabijana na nkasa ade na nkasa en odi eka minim en obobo nneoma bi so me oba me mpasa meka ho asem en kwa na ya na oka me pena sem papa why no
Shatta
okay
well I'm a big fan pa me pena sem but nsem bi wo ho a ya na oka na me ho adwire me okay Bema
dear Franto my bit said o can obase o ma me oba o no mada ho so na wo free buy na o no oba anya na wo boss ade ni di basa no ya na hard ya na me feeling guilty o bema I ma hu o bema ode oba kosu akumadi na tema how do you feel about
bema eya me ya pa ya na me dwene ho ehu se ba me mini ba bi onya ne tete e free because wo maame owo den oba na do ba asase so e ho na wo free buy sabe ade sanso a e ho na woda enti se udidi sa de na tem na wo sa akoda ba bi sa na je se wo angasa no wo ye hwan wo udi wo ho atem ya na ha adwen pa na ya na me sa adwen se adentina Emma kwa na etimi di wo mase na mema de yetimi ka o ma de adentia
become
enoso.
Yeah guys, so you heard what Christiana Awuni had to say about Shatta Wale's comment during the Aisha Modi beef. Yeah, so don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below as I said, and also don't forget to also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.